This tutorial review will show you how to copy and paste in Photoshop. Import the photo. I want to copy this ball. I'm gonna selecting here the pen tool and selecting the ball here. Hitting Ctrl Enter to make a selection. Once selected, press Ctrl C to copy the selected part. I'm opening a blank canvas and I want to paste the ball here. So I'm gonna pressing Ctrl V. That's how we can paste and copy in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.